Happy day, children. Here in this video we are going to see what are all the tags we are going to use to write the program in HTML. Okay, right. Before going to read the tags, we have to know what is the structure of HTML document, right? Before writing the program, we have to know the structure. Okay, now see, always by default all the programs of the HTML will start with HTML tag and end with HTML tag. Okay, listen this. See here, it starts with HTML tag and ends with HTML tag. Listen, it starts with HTML tag and it ends with HTML tag. This is the first option you have to think of. Okay, it starts with HTML tag and it ends with HTML tag. Okay, then it has two things. One is called head section and another one is called body section. See, this is the second thing which you have to write. That is called head section and the third one is called body section. What do you mean by head section, children? See, the head section has opening head tag and closing head tag. Like that, the body section has body open tag and close body tag. Okay, in head section, as the name suggests, you will give the title of your document. What do you mean by title? Whichever displays the name of a file. You can also say it like the name of a file. It will be displayed on the, where it will be displayed? It will be displayed on the title bar. Okay, that one you have to write within the head. That is called title. Okay, this is called title. It has open tag and this has close tag. Close tag is nothing but the line, the slash. This is called close tag. Okay, children. So, what is the structure of a HTML document? First one is open the HTML tag and close HTML tag. Within that, there are two sections. One is called head section and another one is called body section. In head section, it has head, open head and close head. And in body section, it has open body and close body. Inside this body, you will give what is your font, what is the background color, what is the image you are going to add, what is the paragraph you are going to write. Everything you can give inside the body section. All the contents to be displayed in the window goes here. Okay. What will you go in head section, children? In head section, you will give only the heading. In head section, what will you give? You will give only the heading. Alright. Right. Now, what are we going to see? We are going to see the structure of HTML document. See, this HTML tag indicates that this web page is written in HTML. So this is the first step you are going to do. Okay. Then the second one, head. What is this title? What do you mean by this title, children? As I told you, tag contains the web page title, that is heading. Okay. And what does head contain? Head contains the information about the web page. What does head contain, children? It contains the information about the web page. Okay. Body is nothing but content of the web page, and HTML, it marks that the page ends. And this is called end. This marks that the page end. Understand, children? Right. Alright? Right. Now we are moving to the next one, working with tags. Now we are learning about open tag, close tag, head tag, HTML tag. What is the tag? How are we going to use all those tags? Okay. A tag comprises of text enclosed in an enclosed angle bracket. So, a tag comprises of text enclosed in an angle bracket. All tags have their own attributes and default values. All tags have their own attributes and default values. Each tag follows specific rules called syntax. Each tag follows specific rule called syntax. The HTML contains two tags. One is called container tags and another one is called empty tag. Okay. Okay. See here, tag name, content and tag name. What is this? This is called opening tag. What is this called? This is called opening tag. See here, this is called opening tag and you can see this slash here, right? This slash indicates the closing tag. This slash indicates the closing tag. Okay. So this is called the angle bracket. Okay. So first point, tags are written inside the angle bracket. Oh, there are two types of tags, container tags and empty tags. Container tags will always have an open tag and the close tag. What is an open tag? Something which are written inside the angle. Close tag, there will be a slash in front of that name. Okay, right. Okay, what is container tag and what are empty tags? Container tags have a beginning and an end tag. The container will have the beginning and the end tag. See, it has, this is bold, this is nothing but bold, B and slash B. This is called break. This is called break, where you will not have slash break. See, here you have ending tag. This is the opening tag, this is the ending tag. Here this is the opening tag, but ending tag will not be there. This is called empty tags. Okay, this is called empty tags. Empty tags are called standalone tags. What are empty tags called? Empty tags are called standalone tags. Okay. Alright. Now we are going to see about few tags to use to write the program. See here, this is called bold tag, italic tag, underline tag. So bold starts with B and slash B. If you write B San Academy slash B, it means that this San Academy will be displayed in bold letters. Okay. Now see here, this is italics. I slash I, in between whatever you can write, this will be displayed in, how it will be displayed? This will be displayed in italics. See here, underline. So U slash U, this is underlined. Okay, children. Then typewriter tag always displays the enclosed text in typewriter format. Strike. If you want to write something and strike on it, then you have to use yes and slash yes. What is subscript and superscript, children? In mathematics, you will have powers, right? X to the power 2. That is called superscript, where the numbers will be written in the powers, right? For all those things, we have to use this subscript and superscript. Okay. Right. So, these are all few things which we can learn. Bold, strong, italic, emphasized, small, marked, deleted, inserted, subscript and superscript. Okay, children. So, these are all the tags. I have just given you the glimpse of all the tags here. Okay, in online class, I will show you the practical version of all these tags. Okay, children. Yes. So in this video, we have learnt about format of HTML, programming, structure of HTML, what are tags, what are the container tags, what are the empty tags, and few examples of tags. Okay children, I will meet you all in the online class. So thank you children.